Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. As you can see, it's a beautiful day out here. This is Polster 2. Today I get the unenviable task of trying to get the rest of the wiring harness out of this donor truck here. Anyways, it doesn't got much left on it, but it does have some stuff that we need, so I got to get at it and we'll see what's going on. Let's see what's going on here. It's going to take some work, so stick with me here anyways. As you can tell, I'm outside. Like I said, beautiful day. Neighbors mowing the lawn. I did mine yesterday. Thank goodness. Get rid of that crap. Anyways, all right. Let's see what's going on here. Been out here for a good 45 minutes or so. I got the dash kind of loose, which makes me think I should have paid a little more attention to VCOR's videos on taking these dash apart, because I know something over there is hanging up, that's for darn sure. You can see all the bits and pieces I've gotten taken off, all the tools I've collected to make it happen, all the bolts and nuts and screws and doggy, all that stuff down here. Anyways, it's coming apart slowly but surely. I need to get the this air conditioning vent or HVAC vent, whatever it's called, out of the way. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's trying to come out. It probably would if I could get it out the middle. Anyways, that's kind of where I'm sitting at right now, sweating up a storm out here. It's about 85 degrees outside, I think, and I was wishing right now that this was inside the garage. Anyway, all right, still working at it. It's got the old 6x9 speakers in it. I'm sure those things work. Not. Anyway, all right, still at it. Got to go in and eat here in a little bit, but in order to get to basically what it comes down to, I got to get the dash apart. At least my understanding is I got to get the dash apart to pull all the wiring out of here. I don't need all of the wiring, but I do need some of the wiring that goes inside. Like, here's one of the big things that I need to get is this guy right here, which is OBD2 port. So the wires that connect that up to the ECU, I need to get that so I can communicate with the computer. I also want to get the fuse box out of here. It's almost to a place where I can get at it. We'll see. That's where I'm at. So I was able to get the what I believe is the flex fuel sensor out of the truck. I had to do it kind of ungloriously, or let's just say alternative means, because I couldn't get these clamps apart. And now I see how it goes together, but it just flips over and it pops out. Yeah, I was trying to just cut them apart, but decided to just, okay, I don't need these two lines. One's a evap suction one, which is this top one right here, and the other one is the return line for the gas. It goes back to comes back through this one right here, and is the middle, or no, the middle one is this one. So anyways, fuel goes through the fuel, at least this is my understanding, goes through the fuel filter, comes through this little device here, which tests the amount of ethanol in the fuel and tells the computer what it is, and it can make adjustments on the fly for E85, anything down to what's just pure gas. It tells the computer what it is and will adjust the fuel table appropriately to for the flex, and that's what accounts for the flex fuel. Anyways, hopefully that makes sense. Probably not. At least that's what it looks like it is. I'm tending to believe it is. And since we have, see, the really cool thing about this being a flex fuel vehicle is that, and why we want to keep this, just, well, for obvious means, but later on when Lee goes to, he wants to turbo it after all is said and done, and this will come in handy because ethanol E85 works really well with turbo applications. So if he decides to go that way, it takes up more fuel, but the fuel's a lot cheaper too, so it's a good thing. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it out here for a little bit and let it evaporate some of those gas fumes, and anyways, one last thing done, and I think this truck is ready to get the heck out of here. All right, we were able to pull out. We got the power steering pump and the cooler. That's cool right there. We've got all of the wiring harnesses out here, and part of it's over there, and who knows where else. It's all over the place. And we got the gas pedal out too. We need that gas pedal, or we ain't going jack. Nope. All right, so that is the work for today. Now we can get the Silverado out of here and get the Sonoma back in here in its place and start working on it. We got to tear the front end down on it, the Sonoma, and there's somebody. That's the boy. That's who we're doing it for. Anyways, all right. We're in pretty good shape as far as that goes, and just got to keep trudging on and making this thing happen. That's gonna be a lot of work, man. Oh crap. Anyway, all right. In the meantime, hope y'all are doing good, and if you're not doing good, just be well.